Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I hope you're having a good time. I'm the Mainly Digger, and this is my first detecting adventure out of the season. I was so excited. It was yesterday, and I just had a great time. I found some really cool stuff on the river walk. There's a tiny part of the river walk in Waterville that is not on the beaten path, so it's just right on the banks, and it was a good little adventure. Good first start to a good season. I was worried because I have a surgery coming up in a couple of weeks that the ground wouldn't be thawed before my surgery, because my main priority in life is metal detecting. And it's a great, like, I'm so excited. I am so excited. So, scary story, kind of scary. No, it's not really that scary. I had a COVID scare at work, so I had to stay home for 4 days from work. So both had masks on. It wasn't that scary. Anyway, that is why I got to go metal detecting on a Friday, and it was a good time. I also so at the end of this video, I'm promoting Operation Reboot Outdoors, which is a nonprofit organization in Maine, made up of Maine guides, and their whole point is to take veterans and law enforcement officers, just law enforcement in general, first responders, out into the woods, take them hunting on guided hunting and fishing trips. And it's a great, awesome nonprofit organization in Maine. So watch the video. Mainly Dig out. So, first metal detecting adventure of the year. It is March, close to April. This is amazing. This is the Kennebec. One of my videos was shot here. It was probably it was the magnet fishing video, one of them. That is a railroad truss or bridge, whatever you want to call it. And coming around. Ooh. There, you can't see it. Bridge, and the mill is behind it. Oh, this is gorgeous. The fog and steam is coming off the river. Anyway, why I'm taping or recording right now is I found this bad boy. Clearly a knife. I wonder if we'd call it a murder weapon, or maybe a sword. It does look like the tip of a sword. Who knows? Anyway, at the very top, that is cool. First find of the year. Mainly Dig out. First coin of the year is a penny from 1970-ish, I think. I don't know. Well, I know it's a penny, but it's had some rough times. Better years. It's had its good years, I guess. Anyway, I actually wanted to stop here anyway to show you all this stuff right here, which is, I mean, we're down by the river. Obviously, the river bank is here. Up above us, or up above me, is Waterville, downtown Waterville, which has been revitalized. So all of this has just built up over the years, building after building after building, for centuries, I guess. So not centuries, a couple of centuries. Anyway, so these are the banks of the Kennebec in Waterville. Oh, look at that. Another coin. That is a penny, probably from the 90s. I can't really tell. So we're stopping right here, or I'm stopping right here. Look at all that work. Look at all that cement, all that. But there's so much garbage I can't take anymore. I gotta like start picking stuff up. I'm gonna go get my gloves and my trash bag, and geez, there's a lot of garbage. See what I can do. It's gross. So I legitimately pulled like a full garbage bag out and was like, I'm done. I found another dime from the early 2000s. So I think it's, yeah, 2001. So it's here I graduated. Anyway, oh, I found my first button of the season. This is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I don't know how old it is, but that is that's copper. Pretty sure it's copper. That is very cool. Another dime, 2015 something, I don't know. Anyway, another 10 cents. Bam. So that was a fun little trip. I just got out and probably gonna go someplace new. And well, I gotta charge my my GoPro. So here is what I found at this site. My sword, not really sword, I don't know, that's a junk knife. Like, it broke in my pocket, so it's got to be some good steel right there. Not really, not at all. And then a bunch of coins, and then this is the treasure of this adventure, this button right here. That's pretty cool. So this is the button I found yesterday. There's definitely a design on the button, and I can see it. I don't know if other people can see it, but through the video you can see it. I don't know how old the button is. I'm trying to do some research on it. It's just a cool thing that I found yesterday that I'm kind of obsessing about. We'll see how this goes. Operation Reboot Outdoors is an organization, a nonprofit organization for veterans to get them out into the woods, to take them out hunting and fishing. It is ran by Dan and Nicole Waite.